Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all. Today we are proudly celebrating our 74th Independence Day. This is day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. India was under the British rule around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. devoted their lives on August 15. For freedom of our thus India became independent on August 15th, 1947. Since this day is celebrated every year. On this day, our Prime Minister held the national flag at Red Fort. And we remember sacrifices, great freedom fighters. So it is a big day. Say proudly, Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.